Arth is the first restaurant I've designed and hopefully not the last. While designing Arth, I wanted it to look very elegant as well as trendy. When you're designing a restaurant, the look and feel is equally important as the food. If the place is warm, inviting, you will have people thronging to your restaurant. Keeping that in mind, I think the most important thing while designing any space for me is the lighting. Inspiration comes from my travels. Whatever I see, whatever I feel, I try to take it back home where I'm working, where I'm designing. I'm hoping that I will be doing more restaurants because I really enjoyed the design.
I'm Chef Amninder, chef at Arth.
A completely gas-free open kitchen that employs traditional methods.
Cooking is my true calling and I love it sincerely. I take immense pride in Indian cuisine and traditional methods of cooking. Lost recipes inspire me. I like to have a menu that has an edge to it. And I think Northeast is going to give me that edge. All my struggle, my success, my failure in my journey of 14 years has brought me to this moment, a moment that most chefs dream of.
हाय शेफ।
हाय,
आई एम दीपेश, नाइस टू मीट यू। कुछ काम कर रहे थे आप फोन पे?
मेल चेक कर रही थी।
अभी जितना चेक कर सकते हो मेल कर लो, क्योंकि कल से आपको टाइम मिलने वाला है नहीं। तो शेफ, व्हाई वी गोइंग टू नॉर्थ ईस्ट?
There are rare ingredients. There are cooking techniques that are local
Wow.
to that region and still very unexplored. And that's the reason I want to go there.
What exactly is the plan of action?
3 states cover करेंगे.
जी
Assam, Meghalaya और Nagaland.
जी
In Nagaland and Meghalaya, we'll also be going to the villages there.
ओके।
I've lined up some locals who'll show me their cooking techniques and share some recipes with me. We'll check out the local markets.
And this is all for Arth. Well, get ready, chef, because tomorrow I'm seeing you at the airport, which is now in few hours at 4 a.m.
Wow.
So be prepared, chef. तो शेफ, मजोली क्यों?
दीपेश, इस पूरे ट्रैवल में मेरी ये इंटेंशन है कि मैं ट्रेडिशनल कुकिंग टेक्निक्स और इंग्रेडिएंट्स एक्सप्लोर करूं।
जी।
और माजुली में जो मिसिंग ट्राइब है उनके कुकिंग टेक्निक्स में देखना चाहती हूँ। गार्लिक जो वहाँ पे उगता है वो बहुत ही पंजेंट होता है, वो चीज़ एक्सप्लोर करना चाहती हूँ।
Of course, like they say, missing tribe.
Missing, yeah, it's the missing link. It'll help me with the menu.
सर, मिस्टर मंजीत, प्लीज कम, प्लीज कम। अभी आपके बारे में ही बात कर रहे थे हम।
Nice to meet you. शाम को हम फार्मर्स मार्केट जाएंगे, वहाँ से कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट्स खरीद के लाएंगे। मंजीत की वाइफ मिसिंग थाली बनाना बताएंगी।
मिसेस मंजीत।
Yes.
लवली।
आज ऑयल वेजिटेबल खरीदेंगे।
कौन सा वाला?
जैसे हम लोग वो ढेकिया बोलते हैं,
कोरिएंडर?
हाँ,
It's called dhekia,
Dhekia.
and in
Dhekia.
English it's called fiddlehead. Now look at this, how it curls up. Very rich in antioxidants and very flavorful.
ओ यार
Yeah.
हाँ ये हमी आलू
हाँ, इतना
और
छोटा
ये कर
आलू
देंगे
दुनिया
हम।
में कहीं नहीं मिलता, सिर्फ यही मिलता है.
Wow.
So the highlight of Majuli was the baby potatoes. They were really tiny. They were as big as marbles, and that was my first ingredient that I'm going to use at Earth.
मिस्टर मंजीत अब क्या ले रहे हैं हम?
मैं वो बनाना फ्लावर लेंगे.
I've never seen something like this.
Yeah, it's a flower.
So this is what we eat.
Yeah. You have to take out this hard part because
Okay.
that doesn't cook,
Okay.
and the rest of
Wow.
it you can eat. You can smell it.
Come on guys, can't wait for this.
He had a really nice setup. It was very cool, that kitchen, and it was what I was looking for, so I was very happy to see that. मंजीत की वाइफ नयन मोनी के साथ हम यहाँ पे टुपुला भात बना रहे हैं. टुपुला का लिटरल ट्रांसलेशन है पैकेट. स्पेशल वैरायटी ऑफ राइस है जो असम में मिलती है. इसको बोड़ा साउल बोलते हैं यहाँ पे. ये स्टिकी होता है राइस. इसको ये स्पेशल लीफ है, तारा पत्ता बोलते हैं यहाँ असम में. इसके अंदर डाल के रैप करके फिर स्टीम करते हैं. ये बनाना लीफ को थोड़ा आग के ऊपर सेक रहे हैं ताकि उसको फोल्ड करने में वो लीफ फटे ना. The tara patta has a fragrance to it, and it lends that fragrance to the rice. That was the second thing that I knew I was going to use at Earth. With indirect heat of wood, it started cooking. Slow cook, longer you cook it, the better it is. And that's exactly what I want to do at Earth. Manjeet was kind enough, he organized a local dance. So this went on for about 45 minutes. By then, the food was also ready, and we went up and food was served to us in a thali.
मिसेस मंजीत, थैंक यू सो मच. ये हमें मौका मिला है कि आपके हाथ का इतना डिलिशियस खाने का. और मुझे एक और चीज़ ऐड करनी है आपके किचन के बारे में. जस्ट द होल ऑरा, द होल एनर्जी जो आपने इस किचन में रखी है, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल.
There were 3 things that I discovered there. The baby potatoes, the chicken skewers, and the sticky rice, which I'm totally going to use at Earth. We left for Kohima. It was a 5 hours drive. Once we reached Kohima, it was beautiful.
तो अब हम कोहिमा में मिस हेलोस के किचन में खड़े हैं.
So she's showing us some of her tribe's traditional food, which is the Ao tribe. We're cooking a chicken, fish, a vegetarian dish, and a chutney. Yeah. I realized that I'm going to use bamboo shoot as another ingredient at Earth.
Before chopping, you have to squeeze this a bit like this, so that like the juice inside it comes out.
वाओ.
देखो, शेजवान पेपरकॉर्न का लीफ है ये. It's very Chinese. There was a Szechuan peppercorn, which I think I will be using at Earth. Thank you so much for sharing family recipes and things that you've learned from your mom. I always hold things like these very, very close to my heart because I know it's precious for you what you've shared with me. The next morning we left for Konoma, which is about an hour's drive from Kohima. तो बहुत उगते हैं, मेरे घर पे भी है ये, कम करके दो फिर मैं लूंगी ये।
This is Chalchini.
Alchini. Oh my god, I want. Hi.
Hello, chef. How are you?
Very good.
तो basically सब सही कहते हैं कि girls love shopping. पर भाजी में क्या shopping की आपने इतना time लगा लिया? Like what?
There was a lot of unusual wild vegetables there in the
Okay.
market.
And you picked up something or no?
Yeah, I did. Local salt, yeah, sourcing also sorted out pretty much.
मुझे कोई बताया था आपने कोई फ्रॉक्स भी देखे उधर जो आप बनाना चाहते हो हम सबके लिए for the crew. हाँ? ऐसे एक
Only if anyone,
rumor
only
है.
if someone's feeling unwell. Passion fruit grows a lot here. She had a creeper of passion fruit and like a totally psychedelic looking flower of the passion fruit. It almost looked like an alien's wearing a mask. So here we are with Paleno. She's been kind enough to share some of her family heirloom recipes that are traditional Angami's cuisine. What are you showing me today?
I'll be showing you how to cook chicken,
Okay.
fish, and a local dish called galho,
Okay.
and how to make chutney.
Starting with the chicken, add water. Is it very hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
Even this salt is very different. It's almost like the sea salt kind of coarse texture to it. Also, just for my knowledge, how is Angami's cuisine different from our cuisine?
Difference is the ingredients.
So we are adding ginger to the fish also, which is the finishing ingredient. So what are we cooking now?
Now I'll be cooking 2 dishes again using mainly vegetables.
Okay. How we start everything with oil, they start everything with water.
Yeah.
This is salt. So it's water that is found through the rocks in this area. And just if you cook the water, it becomes salt like this. Name of this dish that we are making?
Tomelo.
Kimelo. Prize dish Kimelo is now ready.
Now we're making a chutney. And this is fermented mustard leaf.
So how do you make this fermented mustard leaves?
We collect the leaves,
Yeah.
we wash it properly,
Yeah.
and then we cook the leaves for some time. After it is being cooked for some time, it turns to this color and it is ready to eat.
It's ready?
Yeah.
Such a discovery for me today that it was the fermented mustard leaves that become that black paste, and then that's used in chutney and it becomes this. I think this is very, very unique, and I can totally use this as an ingredient. I would really like to thank Paleno Thank you very much. You've introduced me to ingredients I didn't even know existed, and I'm going to use the flour, the fermented mustard leaves, surely in my menu at Earth, and really thank you so much for it. Polero showed me 3 dishes. Out of the 3 dishes, there was this one ingredient that she used, which was a flour. It was kind of ginger that you get only in Nagaland.
अच्छा डिस्काउंट दो।
Today we are going to be going to Molalong village. ऐसा कहा जाता है that this is the most cleanest village in Asia.
आज हम धनबा के साथ कुछ खासी कुकिंग सीखेंगे. Let's start with the dal. I've only seen people use this, but they're using all of it. Cooking on charcoal also lends a very nice flavor to the food. Black sesame seed paste. So it's a fish that is locally found here and only during winters, and that's why we are using it in a dried form. There's no tadka to the dal. The onion is sauteed first, the dal is put in it, the banana flour is also cooked. The chutney is ready. It's really good. Tasted all the food and everything is very, very tasty. I am a big fan of the black sesame seed paste and the jackfruit seeds and the chutney that is made with the jackfruit seeds in it. Thank you so much for taking time out and for sharing recipes and food that is so close to your heart and to your community. And I'm forever grateful for that. So yeah, thank you so much. We've just come back from an adventurous culinary trail through the Northeast and found rare, unused, unique ingredients. And I'm going to show you now how I'm using those ingredients to curate a unique menu at Earth. So this fish that we've cooked in the sous vide, we call it charred fish kaji lemon. The hero in this dish is the kaji lemon which we've sourced specially from Assam. So what's cool in our kitchen at Earth is that all our chutneys are stone ground. So our chutneys look chunkier and they taste so much better. What we're making now is the bamboo smoked mutton. I call it Deomali on the menu. It's a place in Arunachal Pradesh. The rice wrapped in the Alpinia leaf is called Tupula Bhat, and it's a technique that I learnt in Majuli during our travel. What we're doing here is called bird in a nest. It's purple yam idiyappam with chicken cooked in black sesame seed paste. These are the pearl potatoes. They are called gutti aloo in the northeast, and we especially get them from Majuli. We slow cook it over charcoal and we serve it with a dahi ki khamiri roti. What we are making here is We call it jungli murgi on our menu. We put a really nice masala on it, wrap it with banana leaf, put it in an earthen pot, seal it, and then we cook it under hot sand for about 4 hours. And then we'll take it out and the meat will just fall off the bone.
At Earth, we want to represent the soul of each ingredient into our cuisine, because when you feel the nectar of a food, you will find the true meaning of dining.